Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, thinking of your smile, soft and grand. Your shadow dances in the gentle air, making the night feel warm and fair. Your light remains softly comforting. Stars are shining, watching us in peace, remembering laughter that slowly ceases.